This video will cover the basic operation of the Winston CVap RTV retherm oven. The blinking W serves as both the on and the off button. The control display is a capacitive touchscreen. It is similar to a smartphone screen, but requires a longer, slower touch than a phone's touchscreen. Press the W to turn the oven on. The display will scroll retherm and then display Winston. The channel buttons, dial pad, and the temperature button will be illuminated. The channel buttons represent the 8 different programmable channels. Simply press the desired channel and the oven will start to heat to that channel setting. The dial pad is used to scroll through the menu options. It can be traced both clockwise and counterclockwise. Once the dial pad is touched, the home icon and the inner icon will be illuminated. The home button takes you back to the startup menu screen. The inner button is pressed to accept programming and menu options. Once you've entered into a submenu or in the programming mode, the back button is illuminated. The back button allows you to go back one step or up one menu. The thermometer button, when pressed, will display the vapor temperature. When pressed again, it will display the air temperature. Press the button a third time and it will display the differential between the water temperature and the air temperature. Press it a fourth time and it will display the relative humidity. Press a final time and it will display the food probe temperature if equipped. The covered USB audio port is located to the left of the display. An auxiliary cable can be connected to the audio port to play music from your smartphone or MP3 device through the oven speaker. The USB port is used to update firmware, upload presets, and to download HACCP records.